Hi cookmate, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, you're welcome and I love you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you too. Today I'll be sharing how to make Gizdodo. Yes, proceed to dice your gizzard into pieces. I've raised this gizzard off the camera. I used it multiple times and I added white vinegar into the water when I was cleaning it. Dice it into your desired shape. Transfer the gizzard into a clean pot and proceed to add your seasoning. I added oregano, I added curry, and I added thyme. I stir it together. And I proceeded to add ginger and garlic powder. Add your salt and Maggi. Stir it together and slice in your onions. Go ahead and turn on your stove, turn on your gas, and let the gizzard boil. I allowed it to cook in its own juice before adding water. Now let's proceed to prep our veggies. So I'll be slicing the bell peppers. I use green, yellow, and red pepper. Slice it and dice it into your desired shape. Repeat the process until you finish dicing the bell peppers and set aside. Now let's proceed with the carrots. I did the same thing. I've washed all the veggies off camera. I've cleaned it. Slice the carrots and now chop it into your desired shape. Proceed to slice your onions. Well, after dicing your onions, set it aside, and here we have our pepper mix here. There is tomato, there is garlic, there is ginger, there is Habanero pepper, and there is onions. I'm blending this off the camera. Now let's proceed to dice our plantain. I've washed this plantain off the camera, very neat. Proceed and dice into your desired shape. Obviously, it's still gonna be do this and repeat the process till you finish dicing all your plantain. After dicing everything, set it aside. And I forgot to cut my spring onion, so immediately I saw it, I said let me do it before I forget again. Set the spring onions aside and check your gizzard. Here the gizzard is fully cooked. Fully cooked. These are my main ingredients for this gizzard. You have gizzard and everything there. Let's start by frying our plantain. The plantain is fully fried here. We have our plantain ready. The plantain is fully fried. Now let's add onions into the oil. Let it fry for a while before adding our pepper. Once the oil starts floating, you know your sauce is ready. I added seasoning powder and salt. You can always adjust the taste. I added my carrot. I added the carrot first because carrot is hard more than the other ingredients. So I let it fry for a while. Then I proceeded to add my bell peppers. Go ahead and check the sauce to be sure everything is okay. Proceed to add your gizzard. Please make sure you fry your gizzard when you want to cook your Gizdodo. I didn't fry mine. I just wanted to see maybe it's gonna be nice, and it's really tasted awesome. Then add your plantain. I added my broth just to make it fully cooked before I add my spring onions. While I was cooking this, I was cooking rice to eat with this. After adding your spring onions, just make it steam for maybe 1 minute and we're done. You can eat it just the way it is, or you can pair with rice like I'm pairing mine, or you can pair with anything, plantain, potatoes. If you have gotten to this part of this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.